What's going on, guys? Well, first off, Merry Christmas. I'm probably going to post this on Christmas Day. I'm filming it a couple days beforehand. But today we're trying the world's best ham. Because it's Christmas, I thought I'd change the view here a little bit. We got the fireplace, which doesn't work, but looks nice. We got the Christmas tree. We even got Gus down in the corner. Right, Gus? Gus, there you are. Unfortunately, can't have any of this. But yeah, so today's video is on Jamón Ibérico. Hopefully pronouncing that correctly. But anyway, this was an item from a Carnivore Club box, and I am very excited to try this. I wanted to try this on camera for you guys. I've heard about this for years, literally years. Never had a chance to get it. At some point I was like really kind of getting into Artisan Meats and Cheeses and stuff, and I wanted like the full the full leg, you know, in one of those holders and stuff. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but anyway, decided not to do that. It's crazy expensive and kind of unnecessary for me anyway. But today, I'm gonna get a chance to actually try this. This is supposed to be the best ham in the world. All right, you can see the marbling in there. Of course, I'll take it out in the package in a second here. So what's the deal with this? This is supposed to be ham from a specific type of pig, which is the Iberian pig. They're on a diet of like acorns and yada, yada, yada. You can look it up. But yeah, known as the world's best ham. So we're gonna see how this tastes. So first off, pop this out of the package. And get a better look at it. All right. So you can see a lot of fat here, all around the edges, but also tons of marbling as well. So, well, you know what, I'm just gonna cut right into it. We got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And cut all the way across so we can take a nice little slice out of here. Can't smell it yet. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. That smells, well, it smells like ham. It smells kind of like prosciutto, which I'm more used to eating. Never had this before, obviously. All right, so let's get one slice. Hold it up, get a better look at it, so we can see what's going on here. All right, so I got one slice here. From back here, it kind of looks like I'm holding up a steak or something. But you can see, you know, kind of the marbling, you know, that's throughout the meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little piece first. All right, roll it up, pop it in. Here we go. You can hear the crackling of my fake fire in the background on the Yule log. Well, first thing I'm going to say is it's good. It is very good. It's not nearly as salty as I might have expected. These preserved or dried hams, I automatically assume they're salty because I've had so many that were very salty. But this one's not, which is actually a really, really nice surprise. I mean, it has a texture of almost like wax. It feels kind of waxy. I'm gonna try a piece here with more of that, you know, fat from the edge. All right, so we'll try this out again. But I have to say, I mean, it's really, really good. It's just the first thing that's popping out in my mind is that it's not salty, which is a little off-putting for some of the other, you know, aged hams that I've had before, or at least dried hams. All right, so I finished the rest of that one piece that I showed you guys. Kind of really ate it slow, tasted it, tried to absorb everything that's going on. And I have to say, I mean, this is the best ham I've ever had. You know, and of course you'd probably want to enjoy this by itself. You know what I mean? If you have a little platter with maybe some nice cheeses or something. Not super sharp cheeses because you don't want to take away from the flavor of the ham. You're certainly not going to throw this with a slice of American singles on white bread and give it to your kid for lunch. It's definitely something that you'd have to kind of be a foodie to really appreciate. It's not too far off from like store-bought prosciutto, all right? So if you're used to eating that, it's basically just a little bit of a better version. It's not going to blow you away. The texture is very, very nice, but it's not melting your mouth either. It's not like it's falling apart, you know. It's got the same texture, like I said, as most of the like dry aged hams that you're probably used to if you're into this kind of stuff. What really stands out is the meat itself does definitely have some kind of a nutty accent to it, which tastes different enough from all the other, you know, types of hams that it stands out. The extra marbling in the fat, like I said, it's not really changing anything as far as texture at all. All right, I'm back. I had to cut film for a second there because Gus made his way over here and was dying for a piece. Can't have any, but I did give him one of his special little treats there. So anyway, what I was saying is the flavor is different enough to set itself apart from all the other hams that I've had. But what really, really stands out here with this particular ham is the fact that it's perfectly done. There's not too much salt that's involved, I guess, with the curing process or whatever. It's really, really nice because the flavor is very pungent. It's a very strong flavor, but it's not salty. You know what I mean? It's not, you don't get that salt burn on your mouth. You don't have that like upfront salt punch, okay, which usually detracts from the actual flavor in a lot of these different like aged meats. So here's another shot of a piece. There is this particular company put little, you know, pieces of plastic in between. All right, so it keeps them from sticking and tearing and stuff. But yeah, I mean, best ham in the world, I guess. I haven't tried them all, but I could definitely tell you it's the best ham I've ever had, at least to be eaten by itself. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Jamón Ibérico ham. It's really, really good. If you happen to get a chance to try it, I would definitely recommend it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.